In this video, I'll show you how to change Samsung Control Center. So if this helps you subscribe, I really appreciate it. So the Control Center is the thing where you swipe up and shows you all the stuff here. So this is the Control Center, as you see. So if you want to change it, it's really simple. So first of all, swipe up. And once you have swiped up, you will see some settings here. What you can do is at the top right corner, click on the pen. But if you're on my Samsung, it's an older one, click on these three dots here, and then click on a quick panel layout or edit buttons. So usually you want to edit the buttons, so click on edit buttons here, and here are the available buttons. So you can take a home screen button and drag down. You can also take a button and, like, let's say I don't want to link to Windows, so I can just drag it down here, and yeah, then you can click on done. And if you want to reset it, click on reset. So I'm just gonna click on done. That's basically it. I hope this video helps you. Subscribe.